Hey, it's Sergeant Locksmith here. All right, we're going to change the battery here on our remote. This remote, if your key ring is on, you can leave it on. Just be careful when you do this. Go ahead and flip your key remote over and you'll notice you have this indentation right in here. That's where you're going to need your flat tip. The easiest way we found is when you put the flat tip in, rotate it one direction and you notice it popped up. Now rotate the other direction and the cover pops up. Go ahead and set it to the side. You will need a 2032 battery to do this task. You should be able to put your finger on the remote battery and pull the battery and with a little bit of pressure, and you notice it pops up. You're pulling the battery towards this direction because that's where you need to get it down in, because you want it to release from right here. We're going to put the same battery back in, just in reverse. So we'll put it in, push the battery in, push it down, and just slightly pull it back, and you'll notice it latched up under there. Now that it did that, go ahead and take your remote with the end that disconnected from down here. If you want to put that in first, and go ahead and run your fingers up the side, and you'll hear it snap. With that being said, you just changed the battery on your remote. Thanks for watching Sergeant Locksmith, and let's be safe out there.